How to remove Instagram map. Hey everyone, in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off Instagram's new map feature completely. If you'd rather keep your location private and not share it with anyone, follow these easy step-by-step instructions. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the inbox or messages icon at the top right corner. That's where you find the new map feature. Tap on it. You'll notice a small gear icon in the top right corner. Tap that to open the map settings. If location sharing is currently turned on for anyone or friends, simply select No One. From the pop-up menu, make sure to select until you turn it back on. But wait, we're not done yet. To be 100% sure your location stays private, we need to adjust your phone's settings to make sure Instagram can't access your location at all from your phone. Go to your phone's settings, scroll down and find Privacy Protection, then tap on it. From Sensitive Actions, select Location. Now find Instagram in the list and set location access to Don't Allow or Never. Double-check that it says Don't Allow. So even if you accidentally turn the map feature on again, Instagram won't be able to track your location. And that's it. By doing both steps, you're keeping your location fully private and secure.